Hello everyone. Welcome to the Eois installation tutorial. In this issue, we are explaining the A-pillar handle of the Raptor. Then this A-pillar handle, let's look at the main body. It's not just about meeting the appearance, and it has extended functionality. It's a fixed phone. The 1-inch expansion ball head can be used with all of RAM accessories. Then we came with a phone holder. No matter how big your phone is, he can adjust it flexibly. Then with 2 connecting rods, various angles can be adjusted. Its installation is particularly simple. It does not need to replace the original A-pillar. Rather, it is attached to it. Let's look at the original fitting surface. It is very matched. It was perfect. The whole mechanical shape is also very handsome. His ball head can also be swapped up and down, according to yourself the situation to adjust. The logo part is still the high-gloss relief is very beautiful. This installation is very simple. It is to remove the 2 plastic shells of our original factory. Then the upper and lower screws are fixed. Then go and install this ball and it's okay. Let's take a look at this thing. Okay, let's start install to the car. Let's install this Raptor A-pillar handle from Eois. First of all, the original car A-pillar which has 2 plastic cover plate removed. 1 plastic decorative cover on the top and bottom. Then there are 2 screws inside, original car screws. Let's screw it out. Remove this decorative cover of this handle of the A-pillar of this Eois and the ball head. Then attach this A-pillar handle to the A-pillar of the original car. This is divided into left and right. Take a look at this when you put it on. This corner has to fit snugly. Then use this extension screw that we have shipped from the factory. Screw into the hole position of the original car. 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. Well, now the A-pillar handle has been installed, and then also have the cover. And a ball head. We can put the ball on top or below can be. Then the decorative cover is mounted to the other one without the hole. Just cover it up. After our main body is installed, we can install our connecting rods and brackets on the ball. Then this is a double link. Then its angle can be adjusted in any direction. Then you adjust it to the position you are most comfortable with. Then let's install it as a whole. Then the bracket also adjusts the effect. You can take a look. This is the location. This position you can adjust by yourself. Because of this location, it is still more convenient for us to operate the mobile phone with one hand. Then one-handed access is more convenient. And then the blessing of this kind of bracket is very good. It won't fall out when you're off-road.